हेलो दोस्तों, जानना चाहते हैं कि इंग्लिश बोर्ड पेपर में हर साल कौन कौन से फिक्स टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है। पैसेज रीडिंग सेक्शन। बोर्ड एग्जाम में एक अनसीन पैसेज जरूर आता है। इसमें आपको एक पैराग्राफ दिया जाता है और नीचे क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं। आपको क्या करना है? सबसे पहले क्वेश्चंस पढ़े, फिर पैसेज को ध्यान से पढ़े। आंसर हमेशा पैसेज के बेसिस पर लिखें। पैराग्राफ कॉपी ना करें। एग्जाम्पल क्वेश्चन एंड देयर आंसर। Read the following passage carefully and answer the questions that follow. A. Why is early rising better than rising late? Early rising is better than rising late because it gives a person enough time to work peacefully and take proper rest. An early riser can enjoy the fresh and refreshing morning air, which keeps him healthy and active. He can also do exercise in the evening and complete his work with better results. On the other hand, a person who rises late feels tired and cannot work effectively. B. Why do some thinkers burn the midnight oil? Some thinkers burn the midnight oil because they believe that the quiet hours of midnight are the best time for thinking and writing. They feel that there are fewer disturbances at night, which helps them concentrate better on their work. C. What are the advantages of both morning hours and midnight hours? The morning hours are fresh and peaceful, which help a person to work actively with a clear mind. The cool and refreshing air of the morning improves health and increases efficiency. The midnight hours are quiet and free from noise, which some people believe is helpful for concentration. However, working late at night may affect health negatively. D. What is the effect of health on one's work? Health has a direct effect on one's work. If a person has good health, he can work efficiently and produce better results. However, if his health is poor, it will negatively affect the quality of his work in the long run. E. Vocabulary. I. Opposite of noisy, quiet. 2. Antonym of several, few. 3. Synonym of ruin, destroy. आर्टिकल राइटिंग। आर्टिकल राइटिंग में आपको 100-150 वर्ड्स में किसी टॉपिक पर लिखना होता है। स्ट्रक्चर क्या होना चाहिए? हेडिंग, इंट्रोडक्शन, मेन बॉडी, कंक्लूजन। आप सिंपल लैंग्वेज में लिखें, टॉपिक से बाहर न जाएं। एग्जाम्पल क्वेश्चन एंड देयर आंसर। Write an article on any one of the following topics in about 100-150 words. Thus, terrorism, a threat to mankind. How to live a long, healthy life. Terrorism, a threat to mankind. Introduction. Terrorism is one of the biggest threats to mankind today. It creates fear, violence and destruction in society. Terrorists use violence to achieve their political or religious goals. Causes of terrorism. There are many causes of terrorism such as poverty, unemployment, religious extremism and political conflicts. Sometimes people are misled by false beliefs and become part of terrorist groups. Effects of terrorism. Terrorism destroys peace and harmony in the world. It leads to loss of innocent lives and damages property. It also creates fear among people and affects the economy of a country. Measures to control terrorism. Strong security systems, strict laws and international cooperation are necessary to control terrorism. Education and awareness can also prevent young people from joining such activities. Conclusion. Terrorism is a serious problem that affects the entire world. We must work together to promote peace, unity and brotherhood to eliminate this threat from society. How to live a long, healthy life. Introduction. Good health is the greatest wealth of a person. A healthy person can enjoy life and achieve success. To live a long and healthy life, we must follow certain good habits. Balanced diet. We should eat a balanced diet that includes fruits, vegetables, milk, grains and proteins. Junk food should be avoided because it harms our body. Drinking plenty of water is also important for good health. Regular exercise. Daily exercise keeps our body fit and active. Morning walk, yoga or any physical activity improves blood circulation and strengthens muscles. Exercise also reduces stress and keeps the mind fresh. Proper rest and positive thinking. Taking proper sleep is necessary because it refreshes the body and mind. Along with this, positive thinking and happiness help us live longer and stay stress-free. Conclusion. If we follow healthy habits regularly and avoid bad habits like smoking and drinking, we can live a long, happy and energetic life. आर्टिकल में ओपिनियन और सजेशंस जरूर लिखें। लेटर राइटिंग। लेटर दो प्रकार के होते हैं। फॉर्मल लेटर, जैसे एडिटर को शिकायत, प्रिंसिपल को एप्लीकेशन, डिस्ट्रिक्ट मैजिस्ट्रेट को रिक्वेस्ट। इनफॉर्मल लेटर। फॉर्मेट याद रखें। सेंडर्स एड्रेस, डेट, रिसीवर्स एड्रेस फॉर्मल में, सब्जेक्ट, सैल्यूटेशन, बॉडी, थैंकिंग यू, yours sincerely, yours faithfully. Write a letter to the editor of a local newspaper about the cleanliness of your city. Sender's address: ABC Colony, Rohtak. Date: 17 फरवरी 2026. 2. The editor. The Daily News, Rohtak. Subject: Poor cleanliness in our city. Respected sir, through the columns of your respected newspaper, I would like to draw the attention of the concerned authorities towards the poor cleanliness condition in our city. Garbage is lying on the roads and drains are blocked. It is causing foul smell and spreading diseases. The municipal workers do not clean these streets regularly. I request the authorities to take immediate action and ensure proper cleanliness in the city. Thanking you. Yours sincerely, XYZ. Or write a letter to the district magistrate of your district requesting him her to tackle the grim flood situation in your city town village. Sender's address: H.No 45, Shantinagar, near bus stand, Rohtak, Haryana. Date: 17 फरवरी 2026. 2. The district magistrate, Rohtak district, Rohtak, Haryana. Subject: Request to tackle the grim flood situation in the city. Respected sir, madam, I would like to draw your kind attention towards the serious flood situation in our city. Due to continuous heavy rainfall, many areas are completely waterlogged. Roads are submerged, houses are damaged and people are facing great difficulties. The drainage system has failed and dirty water is spreading diseases. Many families have lost their belongings and are in urgent need of food, clean drinking water and medical facilities. School children and elderly people are suffering the most. Immediate relief measures and proper arrangements for shelter are required. I request you to kindly take urgent action to control the situation and provide necessary help to the affected people. Thanking you. Yours sincerely, XYZ. कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर। फॉर्मेट गलत हुआ तो मार्क्स कट सकते हैं। ग्रामर सेक्शन ऑलमोस्ट फिक्स्ड पैटर्न। ग्रामर सेक्शन का पैटर्न लगभग हर साल सेम रहता है। इन टॉपिक से क्वेश्चंस जरूर आते हैं। टेंस, एक्टिव पैसिव वॉइस, डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच, प्रीपोजिशंस, आर्टिकल्स एंड द मॉडल्स। एरर करेक्शन। यहाँ मोस्टली फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स या सेंटेंस ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन पूछा जाता है। ट्रांसलेशन। ट्रांसलेशन में आपको हिंदी से इंग्लिश या इंग्लिश से हिंदी में बदलना होता है। ध्यान रखने वाली बातें: टेंस सही रखें, सेंटेंस ग्रामर करेक्ट हो, वर्ड टू वर्ड ट्रांसलेशन ना करें, मीनिंग सही आना चाहिए। ट्रांसलेशन। Tea was discovered during the lifetime of Mahatma Buddha. In the beginning, it was used as a medicine, but later it became the most popular drink. Now it is grown in most parts of India and Sri Lanka. Today, people all over the world have developed the habit of drinking tea. A cup of tea gives freshness after hard work. तो दोस्तों, यही है इंग्लिश बोर्ड पेपर के फिक्स टाइप क्वेश्चंस जो लगभग हर साल आते हैं। अगर आपको ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगी हो तो लाइक करें, चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें